Guys, today in this video we are going to continue our previous topic which was graph. Now in this video we will see another graph whose name is line graph. Okay guys, in this video we will see the definition of line graph and some examples based on line graph. Now see the definition of a line graph. Okay guys, line graph. Guys, it represent data or information which vary continuously over period of time. Okay guys, in line graph some notable points are: first point, okay, a point represent a particular data or information at particular time or time period. Okay guys, here data or information may have a numeric value. Okay guys, second point, in line graph a straight line. The 2 points must be connected through each other by a straight line. Guys, this thing will be clear to you when next I will discuss some examples. Okay, the example here, suppose one manufacturer manufacturing various kind of vehicles. Okay, here for example I have chosen two types of vehicles. Okay, first one is car and second one is a scooter. Guys, as for our definition, time must be come in a question. Okay, so here suppose time, and then here guys number of cars manufactured here number of scooters manufactured. Okay guys, here see, in month of April he manufactured 7,000 cars. Okay, in month of May he manufactured 6,500 cars. Okay guys, in month of June he manufactured 4,500 cars, and in month of July he manufactured 7,500 cars. Okay guys, now he also manufactured scooters in April, suppose 6,000. Okay guys, and in May he manufactured scooters 4,200. Okay guys, in June he manufactured 5,000 scooters. Okay guys, in July same manufactured 2,500 scooters. Okay guys, now we will draw these data on line graph. So guys, how could you represent it? Okay guys, now we have a following data or information about a manufacturing details of vehicles. Okay, now we want to represent this data on line graph. Then how could you represent? See here, first of all we draw one vertical line. Okay, then another horizontal line. Okay, this vertical line is y-axis, this horizontal line is x-axis, then this point is 0. Okay, now on x-axis we write time. Okay, and on y-axis in this direction manufacturing of vehicles. Okay, now guys, next what we will do, we will consider here 1 centimeter equal to 1000 vehicles. Okay guys, here we take 1 centimeter, then another 1 centimeter. So this one is 1, this one 2, this one 3, this one 4, this one 5, this one 6, this one 7, this one 8 guys. So guys, here you have to maintain up to 8. Why? Because 8 centimeter, then it becomes a 8,000. Okay guys, now time to represent a time on x-axis. So suppose here is a one point which is represent a April, then here is time May. Okay, and here is another time, which one is a June, and here is another time which represent a July. See guys, this one point is a April. So in month of April, the manufacturer manufactured 7,000 cars. Okay, so this one is a time. Now you have to go in up direction. Here see one point which is a equivalent to 7,000. How? See 7 centimeter equal to 7 into 1 centimeter, or if you write here 7 into 1000, then this becomes a 7,000. Okay guys, now next see manufacturing went down. Okay, so this can be represented here in between these 2 points. Why? Because here see this one is a 6, this one is a 7, so 6.5 will come here. Okay, so this 6 centimeter equal to 6,000, and if you add 0.5 in 6 centimeter, so this point will becomes 6,500. Okay guys, so we are in month of May. Okay guys, we go up in direction or here, so the point will come here. Okay, next data is for June. Okay, so we represent here 4,500 on this graph. So this point will come, see this is 4, this one is 5, so 4.5 will become in between these two. So here in June we will come here. Okay, next one is July. So in this month the manufacturing went up. Okay, so we represent this one here, see 7 and 8. Okay, so the 7.5 means 7,500, so we put a dot here. Okay guys, now as per definition, 2 points must be connected through a straight line. Okay, so we connect this one to this one. Guys, can we connect this one? Is it correct or not? So this one is a wrong process. Okay, because as per definition data is varying continuously, so you cannot jump from directly May to July. So we cannot draw a straight line here to here. We will draw a straight line here from May to June. Okay, so we erase this straight line. Okay guys, now we connect this one. Guys, notice here we have 2 data, one data for cars manufactured and one data for scooters manufactured. Okay, so we write this one as a manufacturing of cars details. Okay, now next one is a scooter. So see here in month of April the production was 6,000, so we go here because 6 centimeter equal to 6,000. So next one is 4,000 200. Okay, so in this vertical line 4.2, 4 plus 0.2. Okay, so this one 4.2 centimeter, which represent a 4200. Okay, so we will come first here, this point, then see this point is near about here. Okay, and other data, manufacturing of scooters in June was 5000. So what we will do next, we will go in month of June here and again go up. Okay, so this one is June, this one is here. Okay guys, so this point will come here. Okay, and next one is a July month. So production went down, or this point 2.5 will come here, or June is coming here, so we represent one dot here. Okay, so again what we will do, we will connect these points by a straight lines. Okay, one by one. So guys, this one is a manufacturing of scooters details. Okay, so guys, what you see or analyze by this line graph. Okay, so various types of question may be asked to you in examination. Suppose this one is a data for manufacturing of cars. Okay, so guys, suppose this one has not given to you. Okay, or now someone ask you, tell me in which month the production of car is highest. So your answer is July, this one. Why? Because see, in vertical line this point, okay, is coming at a highest point. Okay, so this one. So guys, in this way we can use the line graph for representing information. Okay guys, now guys, so various type of question also asks, so in which month the manufacturer has manufactured least, okay, cars. So you can see in this graph the lowest point is this one. Okay, which is 4500. Okay guys, so guys, this is about analysis of a car manufacturing details. Okay, this one is one question, another line graph which is given to you, which represent a body temperature of a sick person. Okay, whose temperature varies with respect to time. Okay, and now the doctor has to take some precautionary measures. Okay, by seeing this graph. Okay, so see here, first this x-axis represent a time. Okay, now see this y-axis represent a temperature of that person or you can say here body temperature. Okay, now here we scale down 1 centimeter equal to 10 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so first of all we draw here 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and here 11. Okay, now see, this one is a 10 degree Fahrenheit, this one is a 20 degree, this one is a 30 degree Fahrenheit, 40 degree Fahrenheit, 50 degree Fahrenheit, 60 degree Fahrenheit, 70 degree Fahrenheit, 80 degree Fahrenheit, 90 degree Fahrenheit, then 100 degree Fahrenheit. Now this one is a 110 degree Fahrenheit. Okay guys, now suppose using a thermometer, his temperature measured at 7 am, okay, was 104 degree Fahrenheit. Now when the time lapses, again his temperature measured at here 10 am, okay, after 3 hours. This one is a graph for his body temperature. Okay, now the doctor have to say some precautionary measures and or you can say apply a medicine. So by viewing this graph, what could you say? So you can say after a interval of 3 hours his temperature is going down and up. Okay, so in this way a line graph can be used. You can say the title of this graph is body temperature of person vary with time. Okay, so suppose somebody may ask you, okay, by seeing this graph tell me at what time his temperature went minimum. Okay, so you can say here at 10 am his temperature is 97 degree centigrade, which one is a minimum one. Okay, so there are so many questions can be asked to you. Okay, so what was the variation between the maximum and minimum temperature of his body in by seeing this graph? Okay, so see, this one is a 104 degree, this one is a 97 degree. So you can say here this one equal to 7 degree Fahrenheit. So you can say by this graph 7 am to 7 pm his temperature is varying in range of 7 degree Fahrenheit. Okay guys, notice here I am using the word Fahrenheit because the body temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. Okay, so guys, this is all about line graph. Hope you enjoyed this video by listening and watching. Please like and subscribe this Foundation JEE channel and share to your friends and family who are living remote areas where they also get benefit from this channel. Okay guys, thank you very much.